All right, listen up, you bastards. This train's about to leave, so hurry your asses up and get on. Throw any crap you have in the racks and let's get the hell out of here.
You listen to me, young man. This is not the way we play, and this is certainly not the way we talk. Don't you come back down until you've learned how to play nice and talk like a little gentleman. Ready to play nice and talk nice?
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, the train is now ready to depart. If you are disembarking here, thank you for traveling with us. If you are just joining us, welcome aboard. The train will be leaving shortly. For those passengers concerned with the 2-hour delay, talk to the bitch in the kitchen.